to beat Creamline, you have to bring your A game. Give them a few surprises to think about, really.
Immaculate nga sila.
Oo, sobra,
diba?
sobra. In the meantime, it's a check ball. Immaculate bites on the team.
Yes, sila ang perfect ngayon
Well,
with undefeated record.
Tingnan natin pa.
You know, recover ka, mag-therapy ka, mag-workout ka. Pero when it's game time, iba rin talaga.
Good point. Kasi you hesitate, yung approach mo, is it the same? It's different in practice.
Yes.
In the meantime, Pons is parang libero. Carlos.
It wasn't established and it was easy for Tots to check out. Lakas ng palo.
When you're there, do you actually... nga pala.
Si Creamline, Grand Slam champion and everything.
Yes.
So, diba, makita mo naman din yung
difference.
Lamang din talaga ni Creamline. Pero I'm hoping that Capital One will really challenge this team, diba? Pahirapan naman nila.
Why not? Galanza, by the way, is on the floor and she scores right away.
Kasi regalo.
Oo naman.
Nice serve from Vargas.
Tolenada, layo na hinabol. Singh tried to score on it. Here's it's going to be a free ball. Galanza. Down the middle we go. Negrito. Galanza.
You know, she knows what to do. Kahit si Leila Cruz, a tall blocker against her. Ang hirap pag galing sa likod mo yung set, pag opposite ka.
I agree.
Mahirap, awkward angle.
Down the middle we go. We have some confusion on the side of Creamline. They reconfigure their positions. Reached in for... good. Just hit out. Good effort, but it's out. Galanza, just entering the second set, has 4 points already. She was on the floor.
Makatuno is still there for Capital One.
And
starting.
Ginising libero. That's the way to do it. Genesis has played well despite the struggles of Capital One. Handled well. Makatuno, balancing act. Back row at work. Makatuno stretches for it. Rivera is there. Becomes a set. It's foiled. It's returned to sender. Bit of a miss, but we're in play. Everybody's stretching. 3 ball, another long rally. And that ends. Carlos, try to improve. If you would suggest a few things.
I think sa setting din. And, you know, matangkad yung mga middle blockers nila eh. So, I think they should activate them.
That's true, huh? Do a little more quicks, more...
Every team naman, everyone needs to be consistent and efficient.
Yeah.
Kasi pag
Galanza.
Nice block.
Atienza. Bernardo hammers it. Bernardo says, give it back to me! Genesis. Makatuno. Galanza says, let's try this. Estrella scampers. Genesis, Carlos.
Single block.
Yes, sir. Storm signal number 3. Punta na tayo sa taguan. In the meantime. One more time. Galanza hits 2 in a row.
Galanza just... nice serve.
Yes, indeed. Orenday and stretches. Torres got to it. Galanza denied entry. Naalanganin, ano?
Bakit niya sunod kay Makatuno? Presence of mind there.
True. Very true. That's it. Let's tune in.
Actually, nakadikit pa rin dito si Capital One.
Naman. 25-19 ang identical scores ng first 2 sets na kinuha ng Creamline. Carlos. Very, very precise. Very, very strong.
Played outside hitter for Creamline. So, she's also comfortable.
Totoo yan. That's a great observation. Parang wala nang hulaan.
Wala.
Di ba?
Ready.
Di ba? The free ball. Ganito play, We have arrived at the second technical timeout. You have a chance,
And challenge Creamline, di ba? Kaya naman nila eh.
Pati Orenden targeted there. Strength kasi ng Creamline. And I noticed that nung finals against Signal. Signal was ahead actually.
Yes,
But-
laging 2 sets ahead. Makikita mo yung tulong din talaga niya
Yes.
for Capital One.
On the other side, Galanza with 11. De Leon with 8. Oh, really? Interesting.
Oh,
Oh, papunta sa'yo, kayong left.
we actually missed that here.
Watch this. Watch this. Naku, ganun pala ang kultura nung arko nung tira. 5 points is the difference. And we arrive